Yeah, yeah. Reggae vibes, puso'y kalmado. Kahit anong unos, kapit lang bro. Dasal lang, dasal lang. Dasal, walang puhunan pero may sukli. Kapag mabigat ang dala, siya ang katabi. Hindi man madali, tuloy lang ang biyahe. May liwanag sa dulo, kahit madilim sa gabi. Minsan gipit, minsan ligaw ang isip. Parang bawat hakbang may pader na pilit. Di ko alam kung saan ba dapat kumapit, pero sa bawat dasal may lakas na kapalit. Walang bayad, walang kontrata, pusong totoo lang ang daladala. Kapag bagsak ka na't wala nang makita, may bulong sa hangin anak, kaya mo pa. At kapag umuulan ng problema, hindi ako basta natatangay ng baha. May pag-asang buhay sa bawat salita na binibitawan ko sa kanya. Dasal, walang puhunan pero may sukli. Kapag mabigat ang dala, siya ang katabi. Hindi man madali, tuloy lang ang biyahe. May liwanag sa dulo, kahit madilim sa gabi. Hindi pera ang sagot sa lahat ng laban. May mga sugat na dasal lang ang lunas. Kapag pagod na ang isip at katawan, may kapayapaang dumarating ng kusa. Mula sa luha hanggang sa tagumpay, bawat araw may dahilan para mabuhay. Kung minsan mabagal pero siguradong gabay, hindi man agad darating din ang taglay. Oh, kapit lang kapatid ko, kahit mabigat ang mundo. Taas no, wag susuko. May nakikinig sa puso mo. Dasal, walang puhunan pero may sukli. Pag-asang balik kahit walang salapi. Sa bawat umaga, sa bawat sandali, dasal ang puhunan ng taong may ngiti. Reggae vibes sa hangin, walang puhunan pero may sukli. Dasal lang kapatid, at tuloy ang ngiti. Dear pera, nasaan ka na? Dati lagi kang kasama. Pagdating ng sweldo, sweet na sweet. Ngayon isang linggo pa lang, bakit ka nag-e-exit? Nag-away ba tayo? Di ko alam. Konting check-out lang naman. 3 milk tea at isang pares. Bakit bigla kang umalis? Balik ka na, pero ko miss na kita. Totoo, kung may nagawang wala akong mali. Sali kasi hindi ko napigili. Balik ka na, huwag nang magtampo. Promise diet na sa gastos ko. to? Pwede bang bumalik ng buo? Kahit barya-barya lang muna, pang merienda at pamasahe sana. Di balik ka na.
Found a photo on my old phone. Blurry lights, but it feels like home. Laughing loud with a younger face. Back when small things felt hard to face. There's a message thread from way back when. Simple words like drive safe, my friend. We never knew how time moved on. Those ordinary days would soon be gone. Time moves fast, never asked your heart. Turns the page before you start. Still somehow all the love we knew leaves a mark that carries through. Like Polaroids I hold inside, faded colors, frozen time. Every tear and every win shape the soul I'm living in. Now the year is closing slow and a new door waits to open more. With yesterday still in my hands, I'm stepping toward what's not yet planned.
There are streets I don't walk now, still my feet remember how. Dreams I had have changed their frame, but deep inside they burn the same. I used to fear each wrong turn made. Now I see how strength is made. Every fall I wished undone taught me how to still move on.
Didn't get all I dreamed to find, didn't heal in perfect time, but every why did this go wrong turned into I was strong all along. Like Polaroids I hold inside, faded colors, frozen time. Every tear and every win shape the soul I'm living in. Now the year is closing slow, hope is louder than before. Even if the road's unclear, I'm more brave than I was last year. If I could stand beside old me on nights I cried so quietly, I'd say hold on, you'll make it through. One day you'll be proud of you. Like Polaroids I hold inside, every shadow, every light, all the loss and all the grace led me to